Everyone, look at this. 1, 4, 14. 1, 4, 14. 1, 4, 14. Everyone write in your notebook. Devanshi, beta, are we write in your notebook? Okay. Now, spelling of 12. T W E L B E. 12. 12. Okay. And now spelling of 13. T H I R T E N. 13. 1 3 13. Okay. Everyone, you also write in your notebook, beta. Yes. And now 15. And now 15. So 1 and 5. 1, 5, 15. Spelling of 15. F I F T E N. 15. You speak with me, beta. 15. Okay. Okay. So now next 16. 1 and 6. 1 and 6, 16. 1 and 6, 16. Spelling of 16. S I X T E N. 16. 16. 16. Okay, beta. Are we? You write in your notebook, Manvi? Yes, beta. Okay, okay, very good. Okay. And now, next number 17. Okay. 1, 7. 17. 1, 7. 17. Spelling of 17. S E V E N T E N. 17. Okay, everyone? Devanshi, speak with me, beta. S E V E N T E N. 17. Okay, beta. Yadansh, you also write in your notebook. 1, 1, 11. 1, 2, 12. 1, 3, 13. 1, 4, 14. 1, 5, 15. 1, 6, 16. 1, 7, 17. Okay, everyone? And now next. Yes, beta. Sorry for that. Okay. So now let's start. Okay. So now 18. Okay. 1 8. 18. 1, 8, 18. 18. Spelling of 18. E, I, G, H, T, double E, N. 18. Manvi, speak with me, beta. Spelling of 18. E, I, G, H, T, double E, N. 18. Okay. 1, 8, 18. 1, 8, 18. Okay. Okay, beta Devanshi. Okay. So now next number. 19. 1, 9, 19. 1 and 9. 19. 1, 9, 19. Spelling of 19. N, I, N, E, T, double E, N. 19. Spelling of 19, beta. Everyone speak me. Everyone speak with me. Okay. 19. N, I, N, E, T, double E, N. 19. Okay. 1, 9, 19. 1, 9, 19. Okay. And now next. And now next 20. Okay. So now 2 and 0. Okay. 2 and 0. So 20. Okay. And the spelling of 20. T, W, E, N, T, Y. 20. 20, 20, 20, 20. Okay, everyone. So now repeat again. Once more, everyone. Yadansh. Once more. Okay, beta Manvi, Devanshi, once more. Okay. So now once more. Okay. So now 11. Spelling of 11. E. Speak with me, everyone. E, L, E, V, E, N. 11. Okay. 11. Now 1, 1. 11. 1, 1, 11. 1, 1, 11. Okay. And now next 1, 2. 1, 2, 12. 1, 2, 12. Spelling of 12. E, W, E, L, V, E. 12. Okay. Spelling of 12. T. Speak with me. T, W, E, L, V, E. 12. Okay. So 1, 2, 12. 1, 2, 12. Okay, everyone? Okay, beta. Yadansh, Devanshi. Harvi, keep the video on, beta. Manvi. Bhavyansh. Okay. So now 13. Okay. So now just wait, everyone. I take a screenshot. Okay. So now 13. Okay. 1, 3. 1, 3, 13. 1, 3, 13. 1, 3, 13. Okay. And spelling of 13. Speak with me, everyone. Speak with me, everyone. T H I R E double E N 13. Okay. 1 3 13. 1 3 13. Okay, everyone. And now next digit 14. Okay. And now next digit 14. Okay. So now 1 4 14. 1 4 14. 1 4 14. Spelling of 14. Everyone has to speak with me. F O U R T double E N 14. 1 4 14. 1 4 14. Okay, everyone? Okay, beta Yadansh? Okay, Devanshi? Are we beta? 1 4 14. 1 4 14. Okay, beta? Okay. And you also write in your notebook. Okay, everyone? Okay. And now 15. Okay. And now next digit 15. So let's start. 1 5. 1 5 15. 1 5 15. Spelling of 15. F I F T double E N 15. Spelling of 15. F I F T double E N 15. 1 5 15. 1 5 15. Okay, beta? Okay. And now next digit 16. Okay. So now 1 and 6. 1 and 6. 16. 1 6 16. 1 6 16. 1 6 16. Spelling of 16 beta. S I X T double E N 16. S I X T double E N 16. Okay. 1 6 16. And now next digit 17. Okay. And now next digit 17. Okay. So now 1 7. Okay. 1 7 17. 1 7 17. Okay. Now 1 7 17. And spelling of 17 beta. Everyone has to speak with me. S E V E N T double E N 17. 17. 1 7 17. 1 7 17. Okay, everyone? Okay, beta? Devanshi? Beta, are we? Okay. And now next digit 18. Okay. Now next digit 18. 1 8 18. 1 8 18. Okay. 1 8 18. 1 8 18. Spelling of 18. E I G H T double E N 18. Okay. 1 8 18. Okay. And now next digit 19. And now next digit. You also write in your notebook, everyone. 19. 1 and 9. 1 9 19. 1 9 19. Okay. 1 9 19. And now spelling of 19. Speak with me, everyone. Everyone has to speak with me. N I N E T double E N. 19. Okay. Spelling of 19. N I N E T double E N. 19. Okay. 1 9 19. 1 9 19. Okay, beta Yedansh. So 19. Okay, Devanshi. Beta Arvi. 1 9 19. 1 9 19. Okay. And now next digit 20. Okay. And now next digit 20. 2 0. 2 0 20. 2 0 20. Okay. Spelling of 20. T W E N T Y. 20. 2 0 20. T W E N T Y. 20. 2 0 20. 2 0 20. Okay, everyone. This is a counting. Okay, 11 to 20. Okay, beta. Okay. And you have to do this activity at home. Okay, beta. You have to do this activity at home. Okay, bacha. Okay, beta.